we dive into the fascinating world of AI agents.
How to build AI agents.
Exploring AI agents.
हम लोग चैट जीपीटी को जानते हैं, हमने जेमिनाई देखा है, हमने परप्लेक्सिटी यूज करा हुआ है.
So AI agents are very popular right now, and lately everyone has been using one. And I need to make one now, but I only have 2 hours to make it, and I'm calling it AnthropAssist. So here's the problem. I need to hop on this trend and make a useful AI agent. But I don't know Python. And I know some HTML and web development, but not Python. Now to overcome this problem, I need to find a tutorial of some sort online. But I actually found this one video of a guy who seems like he knows what he's doing, so I decided to follow it. Guys, I have good news. I finally got something downloading, which looked promising to our goal of being the next AI agent billionaire. Now this is going to be the learning part, so strap in. Here I was importing the actual AI and tools to make that AI agent. And this is a structured response we want. The LLM and parser is just a model to help us with this project. The parser, yeah, as you can tell, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Now what I'm doing here is creating the prompt for Anthropic to act as the desired outcome. In my case, I wanted it to be, oh wait, and the screen is out, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce AnthropAssist. Yes, 2 plus 2 indeed equals 4. This is pretty underwhelming. Now, here we have the actual instructions of how the AI just said that, who wrote this. Now, after all this, I have to pay $5 to the big corporation of Anthropic to make this all work properly. Woof! After all this, we can now use my AI agent that creates a document report on our specific question. As you can tell, I'm not the best writer. And it didn't work, okay. There you go, alright. Now it should work, and I should be able to talk to Elon Musk tomorrow on negotiating the price of AnthropAssist. And we got the answer, as you can see, but no document reporting on the answer. Alright, now, in this updated version, we have Wikipedia as a trusted source. Alright, how tall is Scottie Pippen? Scottie Pippen is 6'8". Alright, let's check that. Oh wait. Alright, never mind. Alright, and now after the whole tutorial and praying, Anthropic AI overall charged me 41 cents USD or 59 Canadian cents for my Canadians out there. Welcome everyone. I'm excited to announce the all-new AnthropAssist. Please enjoy.